Alrighty, well YouTube, I guess we're gonna do some gaming today. Um, dress up games. Because you can never be too much of a girl. Yes, okay, Chibi student. Nailed it. Okay, let's do this. Whoa! Okay. Okay, let's fucking get some on tops. We're gonna make an emo chibi. Emo chibi activated. Watch him. Those fucking make you wear a skirt. Dresses? More dress? No? Glasses? Fucking awesome glasses. Collar. Nailed it. Book. I'm gonna have this badass looking book right there, yeah. Socks. I'm gonna have some black ones and my shoes. This creepy song is just playing over and over again. That, nailed it. Background. I'm gonna be in the evil classroom. Finish! Okay, well that was fun. I'm so bored. I'm bored right now. No, oh my god, we're gonna, dating and friends. Those Elsa games. Oh, anime, yeah. Let's fucking do some anime shit. Pokemon cosplay, yes. Fucking rule this. What the fuck? Let's just see. Okay. Makeover. Hairstyle, the makeover. The skin. This is, yeah, we're gonna have some good skin. What is this? This is the mouth. Well, that's just creepy there. No, that's so creepy. Don't they have any good anime eyes? Wow. That worked very well, obviously, as you can see. Okay, we're gonna, no, I don't want this. No. Let me craft freckles. Because YOLO. Fucking give her that brush. Hairstyles. Hair tops. Yes. Let's see if we could do something awesome. Ponytails. Yeah, totally. Yep. Yeah, I see how this is all working. Yep, nailed it. Just that actually menu. Pigtails. I effing love pigtails. Yes. Tops. Tops. Boom. Gonna make it yellow. For accessories, we're gonna give me some pointy ears with a tail. We're gonna make me into a Pikachu. Boom. Next. Do this. Boom. Random. Done! Okay, what we're gonna do next is some anime coloring. It has a 60% rating, but fuck it. I want to color. Choose a doll. Holy damn it, this is ugly. Why are these dolls, like, why are these just ugly? Boom. Let's color. It's not coloring. Fucking put some eyes on the bitch. Let's work it. Let's get you some new hair then. Boom, that's terrible. Does it look like that? Yes, those are the best glasses ever. Yes. Work it. No, not working it. Nope, not working it. Work it. Twerk it. That's like Pokemon, isn't it? Work it. Yeah, you can work it. Work it. Work it. Done. Play. Okay, I'm not liking this at all, girls. Let's go moms. Don't we want to be moms when we get older? Yep. Let's do, feeding the baby. This won't be creepy at all. Girl games. Oh, I want to play that now, but I'm not going to. I have nothing to say about this. Let's fuck up this baby's hair. Fabulous. Where is it go? Ah, I skipped it. Screw it. Yep. That's logical. Rocket. We need to find her some mom hair. Hair only a mom would have. A stay-at-home mom that has never any perfect hair. It's gorgeous. And never goes out for dates or anything. I don't know if I can show the picture. Boom, picture. Boom. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Click that subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, click that like button, leave a comment, a nice comment, and bye.